today is the day. I bought this a little, I don't know, maybe even a couple months ago. And I knew that I needed to get it, that it would help with some of the work that I do, that it would make it easier, a lot more fun. And they were selling out everywhere. So when I found one, I bought one. What I'm talking about is this. But then I put it on the shelf because it was a very busy time. So as much as it would have helped me during that busy time, it was another learning curve. It was something else that I just needed to figure out or read the instructions. And maybe it's super simple, but I needed to be ready. And sometimes the learning curve, for that learning curve, we need to be ready. So today is the day. I also purchased, and I'll take a picture of this. I purchased another tripod stand. It's not perfect. And I'm using a bag of potatoes to hold it in place. And I have it on a couple steps so that I can get this view that I'm going to insert here as well. So we'll see how it goes because it's a couple new elements. All right, let's open. And I did open it a little while ago when I first got it to take a look at it right away that day. I didn't leave it in the box the whole time. So, but I put it back in the box because I just wasn't ready. So let's take a look. Anything else there? Okay. It's quite nice. I did show the family. They did take a look. So let me show you here. So very nice. So I need to now figure this out. And what's really cool is it does come apart and it's sort of a magnet type thing. So, you know, it's got a really nice base, heavy. So, you know, I am excited to work with this. Oh, there are cords here too, I believe. Helps to put everything back in the box. Clearly I didn't. So there is a cord. I'll take those pieces off. All right. Cord, Stream Deck. Let's open up. There's a quick start guide. I like those. Download and install the Stream Deck app. Okay. Gaming. There, in the very corner. Okay, plugged in. Okay, this is something's lighting up. Very cool. Okay. Download, install the Stream Deck app. Didn't do any research or anything. We're really and truly jumping in. Should be probably screen recording. Oh, I gotta go next again. Install. Okay, I'll go to. Okay, step 1, download app. Connect the cables. Don't use a USB hub. That's what I figured. So I'm going to need to, they need to make more. So I'm going to use, see, the thing is, I've got my camera, my mic, now Stream Deck, and my mouse. It's fine if the mouse was on a hub, but I have to pick one of the options for a hub. I really wish there was one more report. Okay, I'm getting excited now. All right. So let's take a look what it looks like. Actually, I'm going to take it off and show you. So, and what happens if I just, that's interesting. And then, so cool. And I can do more with that, but Stream Deck. Okay, so now I want to figure out what's next. Yeah, I guess I could do camera and everything too. Oh, this is exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. Wow, look at all these options. Okay, so part of it to record, and then like, okay. So if I press this, my goodness, this is awesome. This is fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. That was a little bit of behind the scenes, what we do to create and to get ready and learn and I hope this is encouragement to you that when you're learning something, it could be anything, new technology, a new platform, that it does take time. It does, there's always a learning curve. So I hope that that you enjoyed this. My name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services, and I hope that you're able to facilitate engaging experiences online. What I do with a variety of services, this will help me. The Stream Deck will help me to be even more responsive. At a push of the button, I can open up something, I can have a sound effect. So I still have a learning curve ahead to use it live with a group to practice and to add a few more things like scenes or potentially a different camera angle. I still have a bit of a learning curve ahead, but I'm excited to start using this. I'm excited that I was able to figure out some parts, and I watch YouTube videos too to help me learn and get through some of the learning curves with different tools and platforms so that I can save time for my clients and better serve them. Again, thanks for watching this. If you liked it, or share it or comment, and if you want to find out when the next video is available, tutorials and quick tips, please subscribe as well. Thanks again.